In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Zillow account. Let's dive right in and walk through this simple process together, making sure you have no trouble at all the next time you need to log out. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and go to Zillow.com. Now, it's important to check that you're currently logged into your account. If you've previously saved your login credentials, you might find yourself automatically logged in. But just in case, take a quick look at the top right corner of the web page, and you should see your profile icon or your name and avatar. Great. Now that we're logged in, let's move on to the next step. Head over to the top right corner of the Zillow homepage where your profile icon appears. This icon is your gateway to managing your account settings, so go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu should appear, displaying various options related to your account. Once you have the drop-down menu open, your next task is to look for the option that says Log Out, Sign Out, or sometimes simply Log Out. The exact wording might differ slightly, but they all mean the same thing: ending your active session on Zillow. This option is key in keeping your account secure, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. After you click on the Logout option, the system will log you out of your account and you should be redirected to a public or home page. This typically looks like the Zillow homepage, but without any of the personalized features, such as saved homes or your previous search history. You're now completely signed out, putting any privacy concerns at ease. Signing out of your account is a good practice, particularly for maintaining your online privacy and security. It ensures your personal information is not accessible to anyone else who might have access to the same device. If you're in the habit of using shared devices, it's crucial to log out after each session to prevent unauthorized access to your personal data housed within your Zillow account. And there you have it, logging out of your Zillow account in just a few straightforward steps. Always remember to log out when you're done, to keep your account secure and your personal information safe from unintended users. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any more questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more handy guides exactly like this one.